Hi friends, welcome back. Welcome to the daily current affairs quiz discussion. Today is 29th of April and we are going to discuss top 5 current affairs questions from the Hindu newspaper. So guys, first of all I would like to say sorry, today the video got little bit delayed because an old friend of mine came to visit me today. So guys, sorry for the inconvenience. So guys, let us see. The first question I have framed on a very important news item. You can see India's import from China rise to 101 billion while exports stagnate. Guys, India's export and import from China is very important because India has one of the largest trade deficits with China. And this trade deficit has been rising consistently in the last one decades and now it has become very huge. And this trade deficit has geopolitical implications also. India's dependence on Chinese economy is increasing. In this context, I framed this question. Let us see the question, guys. Consider the following statements. India and China trade deficit has been risen significantly in the last one decade. Yes, this is correct. India-China trade deficit. Next, India's export primarily narrow basket of primary commodities to China and imports finished goods. Yes, the reason why India-China trade deficit is increasing, okay, is because India is exporting raw materials from to China and is importing finished products, particularly capital goods, okay, electronics, APIs. So guys, these two statements are correct and statement 2 is correct explanation of statement 1. The reason for rising trade deficit is the nature of export and import. We are selling raw materials and we are importing finished product. So obviously finished product is costlier. Second, there are other reasons also, but the main reason is this. There are other reasons like dumping. Prepare the concept of dumping. Okay, sometimes Chinese are dumping steel and other commodities into India. There can be other reasons also. For example, market access. India is not having proper market access in China. So India is not able to export to China. But the main reason is that the nature of trade. Okay, so that is the main reason. That's why both statement 1 and statement 2 is correct and statement 2 is correct explanation of statement 1. Next, you can see push towards EVs will increase India's import dependence on China. Guys, you all know that India is going for more and more EV vehicles. But the problem is that this push towards EV vehicle will make us more and more import dependent on China. The reason is, guys, India EV sector is dependent on China for EV batteries, motors, and components. Guys, China is world leader as far as EV batteries, motors, and components are concerned. And if India has to transform the entire automobile sector and make the transition towards e-vehicle, then we will have to import a lot of things from China. Guys, you all know that China is one of the world's leader in rare earth elements and other things. So this is a very important question. Again, the answer will be option A. Next question, guys. This year we are observing 50 years of the Chipko movement. 50 years of Chipko movement. I'm making a prediction today that this year definitely in the environment prelims examination 2024 environment section you will get a question on either forest or forest laws or forest conservation. I am just saying it. Please do prepare, very, very important. Today only you can save this video and on the day of exam you are going to thank me. Let us see the question, guys. Question is consider the following pairs environment movement and the state. Chipko movement, Bihar, no. It was in Uttar Pradesh that time and today is Uttarakhand. Chipko movement was in Chamoli district. Chamoli district. Okay. Second, Apiko movement in Karnataka. Yes. Silent Valley movement, Uttarakhand. No, it is wrong. It is in Kerala. So we have only one correct. So you have to prepare all the environment movements in India. Okay. So Apiko movement was inspired from Chipko movement. Apiko basically means hugging, and it means in Kannada, I think it's okay. So anyone from Karnataka who is watching this video, what is the meaning of Apiko? Let us see. Okay, if I'm correct or not. Okay. Then Silent Valley movement, Kerala. Okay. Next question, consider the following regarding Chipko movement. The name of the movement Chipko comes from embrace of villagers hugged the tree and encircled them to protect being hacked. Yes. Chipko movement because the women's, particularly villages women, they started hugging the tree to prevent them from being cut. Okay, second, it followed Gandhian philosophy. Yes, guys, I would like to ask from you, who were the leaders? Who were the leaders of the Chipko movement? Two, three leaders. Let me see how many of you are able to answer in the comment box. It led to amendment of Indian Forest Act. Yes, it is correct. So the answer is option D. Next question, arrange the following chronological order. Chipko movement. Yes, it was the first movement. Next, Silent Valley movement. Yes. Next, Narmada Bachao. Yes. So answer is one, two, three. So the answer is option A. Guys, I would like to ask from you that how many of you exactly know the years in which these movements were launched. You can see Chipko movement, Silent Valley movement, Apiko movement, and Narmada Bachao movement. These are the environmental movements in India. Read about them. These are very, very important. With this, I would like to conclude, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Please do watch this video every day. I'm telling you, I can guarantee you questions will come from my this initiative. This initiative, the quality of questions which I am giving, you are not going to get anywhere in India. And this is completely free on YouTube. And this I'm going to continue for the next 1 year. I'm not going to stop it. See, today I'm recording this video at 12 p.m. 12 p.m. just for you. So you should support this video. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.